an institute that is guiding all its stars, epitome of dedication, sincerity, love and care. Each child for it is at par. All eyes at the shining star are at us still. Absolutely appropriate feelings for an institution like ours where each child is a shining star. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmaster Sir, Primary Wing in charges, Senior Mistress, teachers and my dear friends, today is a day to rejoice, to sing the glory of our school, to see it rising to the sky, to applaud for all the efforts put in by everyone associated with it. I truly feel blessed to be a student of such a prestigious institute. Our school has completed 26 glorious years serving the society, and it's a proud moment for all of us today. Let us celebrate this occasion together.
Now, let's start this event by offering our prayers to the Mighty. We will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony where the darkness of the ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. Thank you. Determined and a visionary principal like ours is sure to reach greater heights. Sir, your endless care, guidance and support prove that you are a great leader with illuminating ideas. Your long hours and hard work make such a difference to ensure the learning and growth of the students and the teachers. Sir, we admire your spirit of integrity and dedication to the world of education. I request our reverential Principal Sir to address us with his inspiring words. Please, sir.
Warm greetings to worthy parents, teachers and my dear students. Today, I lead the school. Tomorrow, my students will lead the world. Cherishing this thought in my mind, I assert with pride that I am the principal of such a wonderful school. The three words, service before self, encapsulate the vision and mission of our school. I have had a great privilege and honor of serving this prestigious institution, DPS Maruti DLFCT, for past 4 years. Today, as we celebrate the 26th Founders Day, it's time to appreciate the glorious past, engage in dynamic and vibrant present, and envisage a promising and illustrious future. We had hoped to get together in person, but compelled to move to a virtual celebration due to unprecedented time. Nevertheless, we are together in our spirits and endeavors, determined to mark this major milestone in the history of DPS Maruti DLFCT with grand celebration. With sincere gratitude and salutations To the architects of this institution, I wish DPS Marutikunj success in all its endeavors for generations to come. Thanks everyone. Enjoy the day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating words. We feel privileged to have your support. Music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and a charm to life. To begin this auspicious event, here comes the school choir with the welcome song. Such a soothing performance. Today is the day of celebrations, fun, joy and laughter. So everybody, let your tries out. Let's celebrate this joy, this scintillating dance performance by our tiny tots. I am sure your heart will melt away.
X the date on the wall, hope you can make it. Tell your friends they can come, oh don't you worry, everything gon' be great. Well worth the wait. Walk in the room, cover up your eyes. I know you wanna have a big surprise and make a wishes for whatever you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. We just need to say happy birthday, birthday. 24 hours to celebrate. We can all dance, we can party, party. Bills up on your cake, know that it's your birthday. Birthday, birthday. Birthday, birthday. Birthday, birthday. Know that it's your birthday. Ice cream, yeah, I can't wait to get some. Hear that music, beats by pizza and thumb. Yeah, that's the good stuff, 'cause we're all having fun. Party's only begun. Walk in the room, cover up your eyes. I know you wanna have a big surprise and make a wishes for whatever you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. We just need to say happy birthday, birthday. 24 hours to celebrate. We can all dance, we can party, party. birthday, 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 birthday. Know that it's your birthday.
That was indeed a lovely performance. How captivating! The octane dose of entertainment is not over yet, so get ready for the whirlwind of joy and excitement. Let's watch the dance performance by the young Deep Sides on Shubh Din Aayo Re.
हे सोने हुंडा सूरज उगियो और चारू मेर हुई झिलमिलाट ते आया मारा पावना के स्वागत करावे हिसाब फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी रे किलकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई घटा परियारी रे शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो मनने भायो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो शुभ दिन आयो मनने भायो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे ओ आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे चंदा लाजो दीपक लाजो झगमग तारे लाई जो जी
झगमग तारे लाई जो झगमग तारे लाई जो जी झगमग तारे लाई जो झगमग तारे लाई जो जी
खुशियाँ बांटूं दिल में सबके साकर मिसरी भर दो जी हर घूमर रसिया मीठा मीठा गाओ रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
केसरियो रंगीलो आयो सूरज सो चमकीलो आयो केसरियो रंगीलो आयो सूरज सो चमकीलो
was a scintillating performance. Music is the universal language of mankind. Where words leave off, music begins. With this beautiful saying, let's sink into the depth of the cosmic tune and divine music. What could be better to listen to our song rendition, Ye Hai Hamara DPS, with the glimpse of activities.
mesmerizing. The celebration doesn't end here. An intra-class literary competition based on the theme Proud to be a Dipsite was conducted for the students of the classes 3 to 5. So let's witness the glimpses of our talented and versatile speakers.
I'm so proud to be a Dipsite. DPS was the love at first sight for me. DPS is the place where I learned so many things like importance of study, make new friends and play together.
School is a place where we learn, play and grow with our friends. A place where we meet our loving teachers and helping friends. And I'm proud to be a Dipsite of DPS Maruti Kunj, DLF City.
I am proud to be beside, absolutely with no doubt. It gives me immense freedom, be what you want to be. And that gives me feather to my sky side. Teaches me like this. You should need nothing to worry if you don't succeed. But don't lose it. Try and try it again.
DPS is my school. It has great books, which is really cool. We have great future because of very nice teachers.
The motto of my school is to make the students excel in all walks of life. Thank you.
Just want to thank you, my school, for all the things you've done. Thank you.
I love my school. My school is so cool. Where I follow the instructions and obey the rules. Our teachers are caring and nice. They give us knowledge and advice.
अध्यापक है हमारे ज्ञान के सागर, अध्यापक है हमारे ज्ञान के सागर, कर देंगे हमारा भविष्य उजागर, कर देंगे हमारा भविष्य उजागर। हम पढ़ लिख कर आगे बढ़ेंगे, हम पढ़ लिख कर आगे बढ़ेंगे, डीपीएस का नाम रोशन करेंगे।
Wow, that was lovely. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of the wind. But the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. For them, it's never about the role, it's always about the goal. Yes, these inspiring lines truly describe our Vice Principal, Miss Ritu Malik, ma'am. We thank you for being a pillar of strength. Ma'am, may I request you to present the vote of thanks? Please, ma'am.
26 glorious years of excellence in education. Visiting the school portal today, 24th July, makes me nostalgic and proud at the same time. It gives me immense pleasure to put on record the phenomenal academic achievements, historic landmarks and marvelous memories of the school since 1995. What vision and discernment was envisaged by the founders of our school. We are indebted to the founders who set new benchmarks in the field of education and handed over this legacy to us. Today, we salute the founders and express our heartfelt gratitude to each and everyone who have attributed to this rich legacy. Wishing Delhi Public School Maruti Kunj, DLF City, a dynamic and a magnificent future. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words.